Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, friend. I'm so happy for you and your family. Take care and enjoy your day. We love you and we miss you. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Shi. Happy
Hello,
birthday.
surprise, Sheila. Happy birthday, friend.
Padayon sa atong mga pangandoy, Shi. Ayo mo diya.
Mingaw na kami sa inyo ba? Pasensya kay sa mga face hack kay pink klase na diri sayo kay mangmata mga first son. But anyway, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Good health always. Kanang padayon lang jud sa mga pangandoy na tos kinabuhi. I love you, friend. I miss you so much. Ingat mo
Happy
tanan.
birthday.
Bye.
Hello, Shay. Happy birthday. Gusto naman. I hope maayo ang kinabuhi diya sa US. Pamilya. Oh, again, happy birthday. More blessing and have a good health. And Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy Valentine. Again, happy birthday.
Hi Bash, good afternoon from the Philippines. Happy birthday Bash. Wish you all the best and more blessings to come sa inyong family diha.
Hi Besh, good afternoon from Pinas. Happy birthday. Unta mag-enjoy ka sa imong adlaw nga natawhan. Stay blessed, stay humble, stay genuine. Happy kayo mi nga nagkailata ninyo. And yeah, lastly, see you soon. See you di hapon. Bye.
Yes, bye-bye.
Hi Besh, happy birthday from us, Team Bihagan. Say happy birthday, Besh.
Happy birthday, Besh.
Happy birthday Bash. We miss you.
Enjoy your day, Besh. See you soon. Apas media.
Yeah, see you America.
See you, Zakzak.
See you, Saksak.
Mwah, I love you all.
Bye.
Happy birthday sa akong pinakapugihan ug pinakagwapa nga amiga from State of America. Happy birthday, Besh. Ang pinpermi din ha. More birthday to come. I miss you. See you soonest.
Ate Shella, happy birthday from Samal to US. Wish na mo ni Crescente tagan pakagtaas nga katuigan, more blessings to come, good health, and we miss you all. Love you.
Hi, cousin! Happy birthday! Happy 40 years birthday, cousin! Kanang, ang wish na ko sa imo, wish you all the best, tanan. Kung sa ibong wish, maura yun na akong wish. Ingat mo diha pirmi kas, amping mo kanunay, na-miss na ta mo. I hope to see you soon. Charot! Basta kas, amping lang always. Pray sa Ginoo nga. Tananin mo mga pangarap, matupad. Kabalo ko nga matupad gyud na kay kuan deserve ni mo na kay because sa kay ano man ka kanang taas kag pangarap tapos kanang kuyaw kag dali ra ka makakuha mga idea basta dili lisod na maglisod ko explain kas kabalo na ka ato mag-chat na lang tabi. Ingat mo diha kas. God bless you. We love you. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Sheila. Happy birthday to Sheila.
Sheila,
Hi, Sheila.
happy birthday. Sige
Well, just knowing your departure, you are very far from us now. Well, we hope someday we will see each other. And feliz cumpleaños y que cumplan mucho más.
See you soon, Ate Sheila. Happy birthday again. More birthdays to come. Miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sheng. Happy birthday. Tigs na good ka. By the way, cheers to 4 decades of life, of amazing moments in your life, and being one of my countless friend, a treasured friend. Lami na kayong life, kay na nakasad America, dato na ka-friend. And I wish you all the best in life with your family. I miss you and happy birthday!
Birthday, Ate Sheila. Happy birthday from us. Oh, hindi kuande imbes lingi. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita Sheila.
Happy birthday.
Happy big 40 birthday. Sorry we're not gonna be there, but enjoy more blessings, good health, and happiness. We're gonna celebrate here when you visit us. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy 40th birthday, She. Padayon sa pagpadato dira. At least nag-40 ka, naabot ka sa Amerika. Di ba? Mo man imong gusto, di ba? Mo jud imong dream makaadto tag Amerika. Then kami na pud sunod ni Jeanette, in God's time moadto na pud mi dira. Again, happy 40th birthday. Padayon sa pagpadato. Mwah.
Hi, madam. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. Ayo-ayo. Amping.
Happy birthday, Sheila. May this year brings you endless joy, incredible adventures, and success in all your endeavors. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Shi. Happy birthday. God bless you more. Regards kay Lindon, sa mga bata. Stay healthy always. Love you. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Shi. More birthdays to come and more celebration in the US. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Sheila.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Kala kag-birthday ako na sa US. Ay! Ay naman dyan! Ay! Sabi, ay! 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 Happy birthday, Ate Shi. God bless you always. Amping mo dira. Apas rami. Char! Apas rami.
Yeah.
Miss you and love you. Give hugs to the kids and enjoy your celebration. God bless you always.
Hello. Happy birthday to you. Love, Laura. In this name. Thank you.
Happy birthday